Cooking with Fire and Flames, Day 7. We're making crispy garlic herb roasted potatoes. Please subscribe now so you don't miss tomorrow's episode. I'm working with around 5 pounds of gold potatoes. We start by cutting them in half, trying to keep them all the same size. This way, they'll cook evenly in the oven and come out perfectly roasted. Now I'm going to place all my potatoes into a pot of hot water on the stove. These need to boil for about 5 minutes. We want to cook them until they're almost tender. Once they're ready, let's take the potatoes out of the water. Set them aside, and let them cool down for a little while. Now we have just enough time to get started on the garlic paste. Begin by thinly slicing the garlic cloves. Place the garlic into the pestle and mortar and grind it well. To make it easier to mash, add a pinch of salt and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, then keep grinding. I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this incredible garlic mixture all over the potatoes. This mixture is going to create a crispy and incredibly flavorful coating for these potatoes. To create a unique taste, we're going to add rosemary, thyme, chopped parsley, and a last drizzle of olive oil. With gloved hands, I give these potatoes a good mix. At this point, I'm ready to transfer my potatoes to my baking tray, and I'm going to arrange them cut side down because that's how the best flavor develops. Okay, my beauties, now you're ready to battle the flames. I'm going to pop this in my wood-fired oven for about 5 minutes, or until it's cooked through and golden brown. The oven is already preheated to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's pause and appreciate how perfect these potatoes look. Absolutely delicious. Time to take them out. I have to tell you, these are the best potatoes I've ever seen in my life. This is what we mean by wood-fired oven perfection. The color, the taste, everything is just perfect with these potatoes. Let's serve them up in a dish with ketchup and salad. I'm a big fan of meat, but honestly, these fire-roasted potatoes are all I need for a simple, budget-friendly dinner. They're so satisfying and delicious. I hope you're enjoying this 30-day marathon of cooking with flames. I can't wait to share tomorrow's recipe with you. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe now so you don't miss tomorrow's episode at the same time.